Uy, kinsa na ko to?
Ikaw!
Ako naman hinuon. Kinsa to nanaw? Stoy langga. Langga, kinsa to nanaw? Kinsa to langga? Uy. Kinsa to ba? Gihurot ra ba nimo ang grapes?
Dito, I'm drawing a heart.
Let me see. Wow.
A rainbow color.
Can you draw me a flower?
I can draw a flower.
Let me see di.
Ako,
You draw a flower. Then let Tito see the your drawing. Ne. Mabi?
mana? See?
Uy, nawaya man.
Nervous mana ako.
Nervous di mo di ay ibak.
I want to draw a rainbow, Tito.
Okay. But that color is already a rainbow.
I want to color a rainbow.
What rainbow looks like?
It's so colorful.
No, it's like a curve palangga, dana palangga oh. It's like a curve. Let it draw the ano di. Let it draw the ay Ginoo ko eh. Siya ragi ko no. Heart man na.
I want to draw a heart rainbow. I want
heart
hearts
rainbow.
rainbow.
Okay. Saan naman na? Oy,
Pretty kayo ako.
pretty ka. Wow.
Tapos ani, Tito?
Wow, very good. Very good, man. Ayaw palangga, oy. Ano sa pala ini mo i-draw? I-draw daw si Tito, de. Nga nang tagwin ni Tito. I-draw si Tito. Nga, blank. Blank. Oh, nga na. I-draw si Tito. Bilis. Yung tagwin. I-draw si Tito. Uy, naotot. Naotot pa, hindi ba na-draw? Oy, wala may eyes. Wala eyes.
Boy, again.
Where are my eyes and my nose? I don't even have.
Here go.
Oh, what's that? You only draw my head. only the part over here. Oh, you draw like that. Oh. Ay, claro.
Again. It's so funny.
It's so funny. Let me see.
Ano?
Why? Kapangit ka ayo ni Tito. Is that me? Huh?
It's so funny.
Is that me? That's not Tito Daddy. That's an ugly. Ako din na di ay.
Yes.
Tad ako dito di.
I want to draw you.